I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sajid. In today's video to the Kinemaster video exporting test between all of these three smartphones which I got right now, as you can see friends. So starting with the Realme X7 Max, which has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, as you can see, which is a 8GB RAM variant which I'm trying to use. So next phone is the iQOO 3 device, iQOO 3, which has got the Snapdragon 865, as you can see friends, is the iQOO 3, which is also the 8GB RAM variant. And the third phone is the iQOO 7, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let's see friends, which phone can actually be faster in terms of the video exporting and by using the two methods. So first I'll try to export the 1080 clip to 4K and 4K clip to 1080. I'll try to write down the timings as well of each and every smartphone, how much time it takes individual phones. In this way we'll be able to get to know which phone can actually finish faster. So by looking at the navigation bar buttons, you can definitely identify that this is the iQOO 7. As you can see, this is the iQOO 7 with the Snapdragon 870 chipset I'm trying to keep on the top, and Snapdragon 865 I'm trying to keep in the middle, as you can see, with the iQOO 3 device. So third phone is the Realme X7 Max. So it's a Realme X7 Max device. Let's see friends what will happen with the Realme X7 Max and all these phones side by side comparison. So how much we can actually expect the speed difference between all of these phones. So right now, as you can see friends, I did load the same 1080 file in all the three smartphones at the same time. So same 1080 file I'm going to load. So let's see, I'll try to first I'll convert the 1080 into the 4K, and then same 4K file I'll try to convert into 1080. So let's see what will happen. So right now you can see friends, I'll try to show you one by one. As you can see, so 4K 30 fps and you are getting 8088 MB. The size bitrate is 34. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use the bitrate 34, slightly higher. Let's see which phone can actually finish faster. So 1080 to the 4K 30 I'm trying to convert in all the phones, as you can see friends. So let's see friends which phone can actually do pretty much faster. That is what I'm going to check. So let's try to do it same time. 1 2 3 at same time I did start, as you can see friends, at same time, hopefully. So let's see which phone will be able to finish the faster. So I'm trying to convert the 1080 into the 4K. Right now you can see friends, the Snapdragon processors are really in the faster, Snapdragon 870 and the 865, and the Dimensity 1200 you can see slightly behind, as you can see friends, converting the 1080 into the 4K. So these are the exact live results you are trying to get. So this is a question a lot of users, they did ask me, can you please do the video exporting speed test? I thought of just comparing all together, so it will be really useful for a lot of other users who are actually looking for this kind of same kind of scenario. As you can see friends, so right now I think Snapdragon 870 is in the lead. So Snapdragon 870 is doing a really fast job in terms of exporting, as you can see, 1080 into the 4K. And whereas the Dimensity 1200, you can see friends clearly, oh my god, it's struggling to do its Dimensity 1200. I'm not sure why. So it's kind of really, and it finished exactly 1 minute 3 seconds. 1 minute 3 seconds this was done, the iQOO 7, and 1 minute 8 seconds. Let me try to write down the readings before I forget. So 1 minute first is the iQOO 7. So still the Realme X7 Max is still going on, as you can see friends clearly. So these are the results. So 1 minute 3 seconds and 1 minute 8 seconds in the iQOO 3 device, and the Realme X7 Max is still going on. That's so weird completely. I'm not sure why it's happening. So it's kind of still taking some time, lot of time. I still use the same kind of settings only, same profile, everything is same, but still it's taking a little kind of time. Let's see friends how much more time this actually needs in this phone. I'm not sure how long this will need. Right now you can see the 4K video is successfully exported. So in the other two phones, I'll try to keep it ready in the other two phones as well for the next step. As you can see friends, in the other two smartphones I did select the same file which has been exported just now. Same file I have selected in the iQOO 7 and in the iQOO 3 as well. So same file, which is the 4K file. So now we'll try to convert into the 1080. So 1080 should be kind of easy for this smartphone, I think so. So let's see what will happen now if I try to convert. And is Realme X7 Max is taking so much of time, I'm not sure, but I'll try to do in-depth research on this Realme X7 Max as well, just testing this kind of processor and everything. I'll see what is happening in the Realme X7 Max meanwhile, and the phone is about to finish at last finally. Oh my god, it's too much of time. So 3 minutes and 31 seconds, as you can see, 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Let me need to write down the readings. So 3 minutes and 31 seconds of total time this phone has taken. Let me try to go back, and I'll add the same file which has been exported just now, as you can see. Let me try to press click, yep, and now let me try to export. So right now I'm exporting into the 1080. You can clearly see friends 1080. So which is same bitrate in all the phones. So it should be kind of easy. I think so now for the Realme X7 Max. Let's see whether the Realme X7 Max can this time be faster or not. So all the three smartphones are set to the same kind of file, as you can see clearly friends. So now let's see the difference. How much we can actually expect between all the phones. Let me do to reset the clock. Let's see. This time let me do it at same time. Yes, at same time I did it. Thank God. And right now the Snapdragon 870 and 860, they are going very fast, as you can see friends. Absolutely, they're going really faster than the Dimensity 1200. So this is what will happen. I'll try to compare with the Dimensity other phones, maybe Dimensity 1000 plus processor which is present in the Realme X7 Pro. Sorry, I'll try to compare with those Dimensity processors and I'll try to check what is happening. So as you can see friends, right now it's really slow in the Realme X7 Max. This is my new phone, which I think it only happened maybe 23 days, I think so, with this phone. Not much, but still you can see absolutely how much slow it is. So right now the Snapdragon 870 and 865, they both are able to perform slightly close to each other only. Let's see the time difference, how much we can expect. Now iQOO 7 is going to complete in 46 seconds and 49 seconds. Only 3 seconds difference is there. Only 3 seconds difference, 46 and 48 I think. Nothing much. Let me need to write down the readings. So 46 and 49 seconds, only few seconds the difference is there friends every time. Only I think 3 or 4 seconds, nothing much difference. But the Realme X7 Max, as you can see right now, it took about 1 minute and 16 seconds. 1 minute 16 seconds of total time the Realme X7 Max took. So now you understood friends what is happening with the Realme X7 Max clearly in terms of the video exporting while using the Kinemaster. These are the results, exactly what you all wanted. This video, a lot of users are actually waiting for me to upload. So finally friends, here is the video, and next time I'll try to include other processors as well, maybe Snapdragon 888 processor or maybe Snapdragon 768G processor, something like that I'll try to include, and which will be really helpful for a lot of users. That is what I hope, believe. And in case if you like this kind of content, so make sure you hit that subscribe and also do share my videos with your friends who are willing to buy the smartphones. That will be really helpful for me as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm trying to use in all the smartphones whatever I'm having. These are really cool, interesting live wallpapers. So always check the playlist which I have created just now. That will be really helpful for most of the users. As you can see, doesn't matter what phone you use, there's always a live wallpaper which I have created. As you can see, try to check the playlist and that will be solving you all the problems. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.